going to show you guys how I make these little faux fur pom-poms. I'm using line brand yarn, Go for Faux Fur, and you're going to need about 12 inches of any kind of yarn, a string or a yarn, just a plain one, and a size J Crochet Hook. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to make like a partial kind of like magic adjustable ring, and you're going to be crocheting using your faux fur into that. So I start by tying on my faux fur. I did try doing this with just the faux fur, but I found that when I was trying to cinch my little ring closed, that the faux fur yarn would break or kind of get stuck. So by using another kind of yarn or string, it kind of eliminates that. And this is actually just the line brand re-up yarn. This is some scrap pieces that I have. So you're going to start by tying that on, and then you're going to be actually crocheting over to, one of the little tails that's drooping and into the ring. So I start with a slip stitch, and then I'm going to do 10 single crochets into that ring. And then after you have your 10, you're going to just cinch the two tails there. Just kind of hold on to one so you don't pull on accident and have that one come off. And you're going to cinch it closed. So now you have 10 single crochets, and they kind of form a ring. And you can feel it. You won't be able to see your stitches, but you can definitely feel them. So what you're going to do is you're just going to continue on crocheting into the round, like you're not going to slip stitch or anything like that. And we're going to do 5 single crochets just evenly around that ring. So I just kind of feel where my stitches are, and I'm going to evenly just kind of do 5 around, and I do every other. And it does not have to be precise because you can't really see the stitch definition here since it's covered in fluffy faux fur. So you don't have to worry if you are, doing it in every other one. 4 and then 5. So when you get back to your start after you've done the 5, you're then going to keep continuing on the round, and you're going to do 3 single crochets, and you're just going to feel 1, 2, and 3. And after you do 3, you're going to kind of try, you'll feel it feels like it's kind of cupping and turning into like a bowl. And you're just going to want to go directly across, find an open space, and you're going to slip stitch. Then you want to trim and pull it through. So then you're going to go into like the hole into the bottom of that little ball, I guess, and you're going to want to go back up to where you have your tail, and you want to pull that back through. And then this is actually where the 2 little yarn tails that that's the bottom, and this is the top. So now you just want to tie a couple knots here. And this yarn does, if you pull too tight, it will rip and break, so you don't want to pull too tight. You just want to tie it enough so that it stays in place, trim it, and then there you go. You've got a pretty cute little faux fur mini pom-pom. And you can make as many. So I don't really feel like they need to be stuffed with anything. If you really felt like you wanted to stuff them, after you've made one, you'll have some little yarn tails that you could shove in there before you really cinch it closed. But there you go. And so you can make garland, you can add them onto little mini projects, and there you have it.